Every year, millions of tons of plastic are discarded. But what if this waste could become something valuable once again?
The recycling journey begins long before the factory. Millions of households separate plastic waste every day.
At specialized recycling facilities, thousands of kilograms of plastic arrive every hour, ready for transformation. Every piece of plastic must be identified and sorted before it can begin a second life.
Artificial intelligence and optical sensors identify each plastic type in milliseconds, ensuring maximum recycling efficiency.
The first transformation begins as powerful shredders reduce bulky plastic into small, uniform flakes ready for cleaning. Powerful washing systems remove labels, dirt, glue, and other contaminants, ensuring the recycled material meets strict quality standards. Different plastics have different densities. Water allows them to separate naturally, creating pure material streams for recycling. Before melting, every trace of moisture must be removed to guarantee strong, high-quality recycled plastic. Only plastic that meets strict purity standards moves forward. This becomes the raw material for entirely new products. Inside powerful extruders, heat and pressure transform tiny plastic flakes into a smooth stream of molten.
Advanced filtration systems remove even microscopic contaminants, ensuring the recycled plastic meets the demanding standards of modern manufacturing.
Precision cutting transforms the molten plastic into uniform pellets, the universal raw material used by manufacturers around.
Cooling locks in the material's structure, while precision drying ensures every pellet is ready for its next manufacturing journey.
From waste to valuable raw material, these recycled pellets are now ready to supply factories and begin. Recycled pellets are transformed once again, this time into precision-engineered products used in homes, hospitals, factories, and in. Many recycled plastics return to the shelves as brand new bottles, proving that yesterday's waste.
Recycled plastic finds new purpose in thousands of everyday products, from packaging and furniture to automotive components and household.
For plastics that traditional recycling cannot process, advanced chemical recycling opens new possibilities by recovering.
Every bottle, container, and package recycled today helps conserve resources, reduce pollution, and build a.
Artificial intelligence is making recycling faster, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before, helping recover more valuable materials. Plastic is used again and again.
Every recycled bottle, every reused container brings us closer to a cleaner planet. The future isn't waste, it's a new beginning.